Vertical cucumber gardening, the secret to abundant harvests. Did you know that growing cucumbers vertically can increase your harvest yield by up to 50%? Let's uncover how this simple technique can transform your gardening experience. Vertical gardening isn't just a trend, it's a game changer. It maximizes space, improves air circulation, and makes harvesting a breeze. Say goodbye to sprawling vines and hello to a tidy, productive garden. Growing cucumbers vertically keeps the fruits off the ground. This reduces the risk of soil-borne diseases and pests. Healthier plants mean more cucumbers for you. Not all cucumbers are created equal. Bush varieties are compact, but vining types thrive when trained upwards. Select varieties, like Space Master or Bush Champion for containers, or Market More and Straight 8 for climbing. Consider disease resistance when choosing your seeds. Look for varieties labeled as resistant to common cucumber ailments. This will save you time and frustration in the long run. The right support system is crucial for vertical cucumber gardening. Trellises, netting, and cages are all excellent options. Choose a sturdy structure that can handle the weight of mature vines and heavy fruits. Trellises are versatile and can be customized to fit your space. Netting is lightweight and easy to install. Cages provide support from all sides, ideal for windy locations. Start your cucumber seeds indoors 3 to 4 weeks before the last expected frost. Transplant seedlings outdoors once the soil has warmed up. Space plants according to the variety's recommendations. When transplanting, handle the seedlings gently to avoid damaging the roots. Water thoroughly after planting and provide a layer of mulch to retain moisture. Guiding your cucumber vines onto the support structure is essential. Gently weave the vines through the trellis or netting as they grow. Use soft ties to secure them if needed. Regularly check the vines and redirect them as necessary. This ensures they grow in the desired direction and receive adequate sunlight. Cucumbers need consistent moisture, especially when growing vertically. Water deeply and regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. Avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal diseases. Fertilize your cucumber plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Look for a fertilizer with a higher potassium content to promote fruit production. Keep an eye out for common cucumber pests like aphids, cucumber beetles, and squash bugs. Use organic pest control methods like insecticidal soap or neem oil to manage infestations. Prevent fungal diseases by ensuring good air circulation and avoiding overhead watering. Remove any infected leaves promptly to prevent the spread of disease. Harvest cucumbers when they are young and tender. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more fruits. Use a sharp knife or scissors to cut the cucumbers from the vine. Overripe cucumbers can become bitter and seedy. Check your plants daily during peak season to ensure you're harvesting at the optimal time. Yellowing leaves can indicate a nutrient deficiency or overwatering. Adjust your watering and fertilizing practices accordingly. Wilting leaves may be a sign of pests or diseases. If you encounter any problems, research the symptoms and take action quickly. Early intervention can prevent minor issues from becoming major setbacks. To maximize your cucumber yield, consider succession planting. Plant new seeds every 2 to 3 weeks to ensure a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. Provide adequate sunlight, water, and nutrients. Regularly monitor your plants for pests and diseases. With a little care and attention, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful crop of delicious cucumbers. Ready to transform your garden and enjoy an abundant harvest of fresh, crisp cucumbers? Start your vertical cucumber gardening journey today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Let's grow together.